In a world that demands seamless connectivity and innovative solutions, traditional telecom architectures struggle to keep up. Legacy networks are rigid, costly, and slow to adapt to the rapid pace of change. That's where Airspan steps in, with cutting-edge solutions that redefine what's possible now and setting the foundation for 6G. Open RAN disaggregates traditional telecom architectures, breaking free from monolithic designs. At Airspan, we don't just follow the Open RAN roadmap, we redefine it. As one of the major Open RU vendors with tens of thousands of units deployed worldwide, with trusted partners such as Rakuten and Gogo, we empower MNOs to integrate our advanced Open RUs, seamlessly integrated to their existing software baseband. Airspan is building a new foundation for wireless enterprise connectivity. With full-stack software, Open RUs, and strong UE partnerships, we deliver innovative solutions like air-to-ground networks, CBRS and NRU spectrum deployments, 450 MHz utility networks, and AI-powered RIC applications, rewriting the rules of wireless communication. Our commitment to innovation has been recognized with a $42.7 million award from the NTIA Public Wireless Supply Chain Innovation Fund. This investment accelerates the development of advanced, power-efficient open radio units, strengthening Airspan's role in pioneering next-generation wireless technology and reinforcing America's leadership in 5G innovation. The future is open. Innovation that matters. Discover how we can transform connectivity for your business. Visit airspan.com.